Hey everybody, this is box 3, freedomcardboard.com box breaks. And we're always doing something over there. I'm going to announce a few breaks here in the next week or so. I think we're going to stay away from Topps after Topps Magic. I think we're not going to do any breaks from Topps ever again. Not any cases anyway. Alright, here we go guys. First pack, we've got another jumbo jersey. I think there's usually one a box. This Lima Swede goes to Mike. Next pack, Jerome Simpson insert. We've got a fabric of the game. And it's of a Ram. Deacon Jones. I don't have my damn list up here. So I don't know who it is right now. Rams, Notorious. That's you. Next pack. Base. If any of you guys don't want your base, just let me know. Usually goes out a little quicker that way. We got a Sean Crable rookie, numbered to 1500. Goes to Golden Egg. This is definitely something, I can feel it. Looks like a fabric of the game. It's a patch, and it's a Brian Brom. You can see that patch. It's two color and numbered 16 of 25. So it goes to the Packers, and that's Notorious as well. Donnie Avery insert, Notorious. I should just give this box to him, shouldn't I? Next pack. All base. Lonely base. Oh, there's something in this one. Oh, we got a Mirror Gold autograph. Derek Harvey. And guess what, guys? Jags was one of the teams cut, so we're going to do a drawing for that later. Number 3 of 25. And this last one should have a hit in it. Or not, I guess that was 4, wasn't it? We got the Swede. Oh yeah, okay. We got an Andre Johnson Mirror Red, numbered out of 100. And that goes to Billy Packer. Well, this is going pretty quick, guys. That was box 3. Come check us out at freedomcardboard.com.